Today I'm here with a small project again in which you can add different things on a image or a screenshot, right? Like you can upload any logo, any attachment doc, or any text, so you can remember what kind of screenshot was it, or any further information you want to add on that screenshot or image. So in this small little project with Python Flask, I will show you how you can upload any logo, any attachment, any doc, which is attachment, which is doc, right? PDF doc, a text doc, and add any kind of text on that screenshot or the image. All right, so you can remember uh, any further information on that screenshot, like note taking thing, right? So I did this. So here we go to this panel. So these are my grades for that. And first of all, I will upload image, any kind of image. I go to the desktop and I go to that screenshot. This is some kind of GPT screenshot. Stage, dataset, algorithms, models, nodes, etc., etc. So what I can do is I can upload my I want to add my logo on that thing. So here you can see this is my logo. So I can drag and drop here and that. So simply, right? You can also increase the size of it, just like that. All right, and the logo, any attachment, I say I will attach my resume into that PDF. So in that, the PDF is attached and I want to add any text in that, right? So you can edit this text, like I want to say, to remember this, what kind of image it is. So I will say GPT training example, GPT training example. So you can also use this like anywhere, right? So GPT training example and any further notes. I just want to show the example, right? You can write anything. And chain for models, something, etc., like that. So just want to, and when I click on this, the save button, it will render back. So that's how I know it will save successfully to my database, and that is my database. I can show you if that was the first, right? And if I click this, you can see the text is here, the attachment path is here, and the logo path is here, my logo name, and what time is at and what updated time it is at. So let's get back to the code here, so I can show you how can you do this. First of all, you have to be like, you have the folder. You must have a folder in your directory which is uploads, so you can see these are the uploads I added to that screenshot or image. Okay, so it's a very small code. First of all, you have to import the Flask imports and the MySQL routes, right? So that's how you can configure your upload folder in this, and that is my MySQL configurations. So you can note that. Okay, so first of all, you have to create a route of the main page. You can see the main page, right? This is the main page. First, what we add? First, we add the text, the logo, or the attachment. Three things we attach, right? So these are the things we attach in our photo, in our screenshot, right? So first of all, like, how can you do that? If you are using the HTML, then you can use .form. If you are using JSON, then you will use .json or get JSON request.data.json, right? Something like that. So first of all, we add the text. Second, we add the logo. So first you can see the logo part is none, right? And then the logo must be in the upload folder file name with the file name. So that's how. So you see what you upload, the logo, and then the PDF, and then the attachment, what kind of attachment you attach with your documents. So then after that, the third step is to connect to the database to store the information for the further use. And here is the, once you get all this, then it will render again back to the main page, which is the index.html page. If you want to use return justify and a text message or a successful message, then you can do that, right? So you can also replace this line with the justify statement, right? So, and this is the code, something you can also use this code at top of the code here, but I use here. Okay, so if the upload folder is not if you didn't create the upload folder, then first it will create the upload folder into your directory, then it will do all this work. Okay, so that is, it's HTML, you can use that, right? So that's the some CSS part I did. That's the multi-form data you will use because you are using multiple data like logo, attachment, or text. So first, that is the upload image. That's the JavaScript event, load logo, and then attachment. You see what kind of file type it will receive, the docs, PDF, JPG, or PNG thing. Okay, you can also attach any other further screenshot with that screenshot. Okay, so here you can add text, and these are the canvas size. This is the canvas size, right? So this is the canvas size, whole canvas size. Here you can add all these things you are using. So first I use this image, then this add text, what kind of like border, what kind of text I want. And if you want to use black text, then you can use black text. You can use here black, right? And what kind of fonts you want to use, Lato, Arial, or etc, etc. So these are my footer things. Okay, and if you guys want this code, so you can I will drop the GitHub link to the description. You can also watch or see the code from there. But also I also want to show you, this is my page, GitHub page. Whole code is here. All right, the template folder, the upload folder, templates sort. In that templates folder, you have also index.html page. So if you wish to add docs on screenshot or image or any kind of thing on a screenshot, so you can do like that. As I show you, that's the simple thing you can do. You can see the code is same, just the variable's name is changed. All right, so you can do that. Any kind of thing you want to attach on that screenshot, you can do easy. So just that's what I want to show. If you do this like this video, then please like it, comment it, and share it, subscribe it, something like. Okay, so these are my further videos. You can also check in that. Okay, and these are the AI videos. You can also check that. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.